Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Sending on behalf of a shared mailbox in Outlook allows you to reply to messages using the shared address while still showing your own name as the sender. This feature is useful for customer support teams or administrative assistants who manage multiple accounts. To set this up, you must first ensure your IT administrator has granted you the specific send on behalf permission for the mailbox. Once you have permission, open the Outlook desktop application and start a new email message. Look at the top of the message window and click on the Options tab. In the Show Fields section, click the From button to display the sender field above the To line. Now, click the From button that appeared in your message header and select Other email address from the drop-down menu. A small pop-up box will appear where you can type the full email address of the shared mailbox. Alternatively, you can click the From button in that box to search for the mailbox in your global address list. After selecting the correct address, click OK. You will notice the From field now displays the shared mailbox name. When you send the message, the recipient will see your name followed by the phrase on behalf of and then the shared mailbox name. This ensures the recipient knows exactly who sent the message while keeping the communication linked to the shared account. If you want to change back to your personal email, simply click the From button again and select your own account from the list. This process works for both new emails and replies.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.